Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, I used the 4x5 and a 120 and 35mm reversal film for this commercial. This is for some hotel. The image of the opening ad. Well, I shot different variations so much. Well, one of those ad, and this is my subject today, and I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, since this is analog film, so it's so much grains, but that's okay. Let's make something interesting, impressive image from these two images. Now, let's get started. Well, I'm in blend mode of this pencil drawing type image. Now, change this blend mode normal to darken. Color burn, overlay. Well, I want to make something illustration, so color goes maybe pastel, saddle colors, light colors. Luminosity. Well, this is interesting. Well, make one layer. I'm gonna fix this image. Make one image from this. Okay, select multiple. Then select two of them. Now duplicate layers. Then merge selected. Now we got three images. Okay, let's see. Move this pencil drawing type image on top of this group and change luminosity to bring back to normal or darken. Multiply. Color burn goes more bluer, clean look. Clean colors, huh? Yeah, color burn's fine. Let's leave it color burn on this pencil drawing type image, and well, let's see, just turn it off, this original shot, turn it off to keep it. Now I'm going to work on this pencil drawing type and I just made this luminosity effect layer. I'm going to rename this, change name, luminosity effect layer. Okay, I'm going to make mask. Create empty mask on this, then invert this mask. Now I'm gonna hide this. Well, I have mask now, but let's see. Yeah, okay, I want to show her skins and face. Let's see. If I change this normal blend of this luminosity effect layer, change normal to, okay, overlay, lighten up her skins. This image is more like graphic image, so okay, I'm gonna fix this image too as a base image, new base image, huh? Okay, select multiple, three of them. Now again, duplicate layers. Then I'm gonna merge selected. Now I got this image as a base. So original base image, I'm gonna turn it off. Then I'm gonna move new base image. This one goes to bottom. Then this is, it's not overlay, but I'm gonna bring this one back to normal. This is luminosity effect layer, and I made the mask already, but just hide now. Okay, normal image, opacity 100 now. Now this is a mask. If I mask it, we're gonna see this image, right? Which is, I just made new base image. So, was it this kind of, no, I had this effect here, color burn, no wonder. Okay, now I'm going to turn it off. This one has blend mode, so I'm going to turn it off to check. Okay, this is the new base image color, right? Now I'm going to rename this one too, right? New base image of this. Then I have luminosity effect layer. If I reveal this image is going to show up, and we see this base image. If I hide this luminosity effect layer image, then we're gonna see this new base image. That's right. So I just wanna, if I hide this, it's gonna show the scans. Okay, I'm gonna make, now it's, I'm gonna add layer, then fill in this layer with white 100%, everything, pixel, change to pixel. Now I'm gonna make mask, create empty mask, then I'm gonna hide this white base, white layer with, well, dry media to, let me try rough pencil. Hiding white layer here. Now want to see, this is pencil drawing type image. I'm not going to touch this. Well, this is, okay, if I mask this luminosity effect layer, it's going to show up like this, right? Mask this, we're gonna see this new base image. So I'm gonna hide with same brush. The opposite way. In this case, okay, opposite way. Now I will invert this. Now I'm hiding. That's right. To show model's face and skin to be nice color. Yeah, kind of confusing, huh? Okay, it's 100%. Okay, I'm hiding the image of this luminosity effect to show the new base image. Okay, same time I'm gonna hide this top layer, white image layer. Okay. Clean up some, I guess this black dot is on this pencil drawing type image. Oops, no, it's not. This original, nope, In this case, this, no. Where does this black dot come from? I thought this one, but it's not. In that case, this is the one. Original image. Oh, this one has, huh? Okay, I'm gonna smudge this image now. With smudge tool. Well, let me see, rough pencil. This Fresco. Let's see. And also this image maybe. Okay, I'm gonna convert to pixel layer. Now I can touch with this. This 3 layer has this black dot. I guess mostly this luminosity effect layer. Pencil drawing type image doesn't have much. This luminosity effect layer has more, and also this new base image. Take it out, oh, the grains. Yeah, that's cool. Alright. This is nice for smudging, huh? Hard pastel. Wow. Almost done for smudging, and also I'm gonna touch up some this mask. Now I want to add some color. Layer to top, all the way top. Okay, well, what else? This is original base image photograph. Let's see, bring this one, go up to maybe under the color layer. Then let's see. Oh, that's soft, huh? Okay, I want to lighten up this image. Okay, color balance. Effect on the under this layer. Now I just want to see her face, the eyes. Mid-tone, a little bit shadow. Reddish. Okay, lighten up. Density. 3 bars goes up all the way. Then pretty much red and blue to clean up. We see here skins too, shadows, and then mid-tones same way. 3 bars go up, just touch reddish. Now we see eyes, pupils. Blend mode is fine. Well, let me see. Overlay goes more sharper image. Well, let's I think overlay is nicer. Okay, change the blend mode to overlay and color bursts. three of them go up, so opacity is up, mid-tone and shadow. It's fine. No highlight. Okay, leave it this way. Then I'm gonna create empty mask on this image, this base image, photograph. Create empty mask. Now invert mask. Then I'm gonna reveal with basic to soft round opacity, real soft. Now same time take that to grains out also. So it's gonna go cleaner face on and off. We can touch more lighter. Then mid-tones. Yeah, about this much. Okay, well, kind of complicated. These masks. This is luminosity image. Luminosity effect image. New base is this one, which I combined 3 layers with something effect too. Then I add some colors all around here. This is one, some colors, yellow and red and stuff. Now just change this image, which is eyes. This is interesting too, but I just want to see nice eyes, but maybe opacity down to get some graying effect from the base image. So maybe about 65. No, fine. Okay, well, this is it for today, and pretty complicated, but I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And I got this illustration today, and I really appreciate for you guys support, and well, you guys have a nice day and creative life, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. That's fun.